I want to talk quickly about good success. Come on, say good success. What is good success? Good success is not always big success. You need to be able to define for yourself. If you came to our summits, or you've been to our summits in the last 7 or so years, there are questions we ask at the start of every summit. And one of that question is that, do you think you are successful? You yourself, do you think you are a success? And you can't answer that question if you don't even know what success means to you. The problem that you have is that you think, when you think about success, what comes to your mind is big. For the lack of a better word, what comes to your mind? Or, better phrase, blow. So you think that success means big. Success means to blow. Let me give you a quick example and we'll move to the call. Auntie, please come. Did they come? Let's make use of your dada. Let's get that camera very well. What's your name, man?
Timmy.
Timmy. So this is Timmy and this is Didi. Cool name, reading. Timmy and Didi on the mic. Now, Timmy has a plan to build a house. Am I correct?
Yes.
That house, we'll say. She has a plan to build a house in 2 years. Duplex or bungalow? Duplex. Duplex. That's what your husband said. Duplex. Duplex in Wuse. In 2 years. They want to finish it in 2 years. Didi here, because she has plans to increase her makeup business, wants to build a house in Maitama. Twin duplex. Say twin duplex. Twin duplex. Yeah. But she's not sure when she wants to complete the house. But she's sure that she wants to finish her foundation in 2 years. Are you following me now? Timmy wants to build her duplex in 2 years, complete the whole duplex in 2 years. Didi wants to build a duplex also, but her goal, her plan is to complete her foundation in 2 years' time. By the end of 2 years, she was able to finish her duplex. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. Thank you. Yeah, it's a good job. That palo color is a good color. Now, Didi was also able to complete her foundation. Which success is bigger? Yeah. Is this sinking in now? Timmy succeeded at achieving her duplex in 2 years. Didi succeeded at achieving her foundation, maybe even in 18 months. So by that calibration, she probably even achieved her success faster. But when her mother called her, she told Didi, have you seen your friend, Timmy? Are you seeing your mates? See what Timmy is doing. Then Didi, in trying to impress the mother, will go and sell her Maitama land with the foundation. And go to Maraba and build a duplex. You will get this later. It's not a joking matter. I'm painting a picture of some of your lives here. What you have done. I'm trying to explain to you what you did. So now she has finished a house in Maraba. Because what it takes you to buy land in Maitama has finished a house in Maraba. And even an estate. Estate is when 2 or 3 are gathered. Once you have more than one house in estate in Abuja. So the mother now says to her village people, my daughter has built a house. But she has changed her future. Because she defined her success by Timmy's achievements. And the reason for that is that she didn't properly embrace and accept what she defined to be success for herself. Please sit down. Thank you very much. Many years ago, my father came to the house where I was living and said, Apeh, when will you build it? Because we were living in a duplex. I know this. See, it's only in minds and lines that your staff is living in his house, then you that you are the guy, you are renting house. I'm renting house, I'm living in a rented house now. It's a duplex, but I'm paying rent. Anyways, so my father came to the house. I said, when will you build the house? You know, he told me exactly what this mother told Didi. That even if it's in the outskirts of Abuja, at least build something. I said, Daddy, when you were coming here, what did you tell Mama? Where did you tell Mama you were going to? Say, your house. I said, no. I said, how did you call it? He said, I'm going to Apeh's house. I said, so good. Any house I'm living, I'm paying rent. It's my house. So be grateful that you can say, I'm going to Apeh's house. You didn't say, I'm going to Didi's house to see Apeh. There are two different things. I'm going to MN's house to see Apeh. There are two different things. But if I qualify for you to say you are going to my house is enough, leave it like that. Today, by God's grace, we want to copy Uche. In the next few days, we'll be in our own house. In the town. It took maybe 3-4 years extra. But we're in the heart of town. Also in a better duplex. Have I lost weight? Did you see the picture anywhere on Facebook? Because other things, later on was opened with over 20 million while the house was going on. Are you with me at all? Later began and finished with over 20 million naira investment while the house construction was going on. Are you following me at all? Because there is work to build per time. Uche just came back from Port Harcourt to do a job there, and I had to suspend the work in my house for the work in Port Harcourt to continue. And I told them, I said that Port Harcourt work will bring money. My house will take money. So go and finish the one that is bringing money first. We'll wait. Otherwise, we should have moved in weeks before today. Come on, say there's what to build. Define success for yourself. Don't let anybody define success for you. If you are trekking now and that is what you plant, trek well. With style, bounce. You understand? There's a way, trek it. If it's a quicker you want to buy it well, iron it nice. When I was much younger, I used to iron money. Because this is my tip for mint. It's not today began. I like mint. It began since, but I couldn't get the mint. There's always a way to mint money. Carry old money, iron it. It will be strong and straight. Come on, say remove the drawers.